Hey guys, it's your girl KaylaB. You know me, I'm coming at you with another video. Yes, another video. This is my Boxycharm unboxing of April 2020. This is the base box, not the premium. If you're wondering why it looks like this, because I had to disinfect the box and it's black. So yeah. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, it's a $25 a month beauty subscription that retails for over $125 of product. You get 5 full-size items and you get to choose one product a month. So let's get into it. So Boxycharm emailed me my postcard, my pamphlet. I have version 27. They emailed it to me when I had my tracking number, so I know everything in here. So let's go with the first item. The first item is the Benefit Cosmetic Professional Face Primer, which retails for $32. This is what the packaging looks like. This packaging is really bomb. It opens like that. You have like a little action figure in there. That's cute. But I really do not like this primer. I was hoping to try the hydrating one. I knew it was a variation between this and the hydrating one. I wanted the hydrating one. I don't like the way it looks on my combo skin. It is what it is. Next item. The next thing is a 5-piece brush set, eye brush set from Lavish. This retails for $29.99. You get a little bullet brush, a blending brush, a eyeliner brush, a packer brush, and a eyebrow brush with a spoolie at the end. I could tell you that this brush set is actually one of the variations I wanted, so I'm happy with this. But this is not my favorite box. This is the Elimis Superfood Cica Calming Cleansing Foam. This retails for $32. This is the thing that I chose, and it's very weighted and very heavy, and it has a lot of product in it. How much product does it have? 6 fluid ounce. Wow. I'm not going to use it. I'm not going to open it because it's a 6-month expiration date after opening. The next thing is also a variation that I wanted, but I also would have liked the dose of KaylaB. This is the Banting Lashes. This retails for $31. It comes with a little mini glue, and they're my style. They're natural but glam. This is something I didn't want. Another thing I didn't want. This is the Hank&Henry Duo Sponge. I got 2 beauty tools. 2 beauty tools. You could tell why I'm a little upset. 2 beauty tools. This retails for $20. So my overall total was $144.99, but without the professional and without the Hank&Henry, it's $92.99. I did get my money's worth. It is, the full value is over $120. It's $25 a month, and I did get a steal on what I chose, which is $32. It's the foaming cleanser, so I got my money's worth, so I can't be mad at Boxycharm, but it's not my favorite month. Anyways, that's everything that came in my Boxycharm. I hope you guys like this special video. I will see you on Friday with another unboxing, but not Boxycharm. It was ipsy. So yeah. Anyways, happy Thursday. Happy special video. Anyways, hope you guys are feeling better. This did not make my day. Let's just get into a different video. Watch my other videos. Subscribe if you like this hot mess of a channel. Bye.